Here we go, Bitcoin at $70,000 all-time high, and guess what? We don't care for Bitcoin. Do you know why? Because I just made $30,000 trade this coin right here, Aventus, and cost only $7. Guess what? In order to find this pump right here, guys, remember my soft is calculating volume spike plus buyer power. Aventus, the volume always spike first before the pump. Take a look this, February 20, the volume this coin was $227,000. The volume pumped to $11 million. That's what happened. Before the pumping price, there is the pre-pumping volume. So Aventus, I shared this trade in the private list right here on March 4. Before the pump, we bought this coin for $2.05 and you put a sell order up here at $9. We made over 300%. I made $30,000 in one single trade. Guys, trades I share in the private list on the last 5 days. We trade IO token, 0x protocol, Crypto Finance, Aventus, DAPPRADAR, POOH, IMVU. Overall today, $75,000, 750%. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 25% per week. In order to find those pumps, guys, it's all about the volume spike plus buyer power. Let me give you another example here. This coin right here, DAPPRADAR, position the rank 1172, way on the back. Look at the match can happen right here. February 5th, the volume of this coin was $711,000. Volume pumped to 1.4 million and volume pumped to 2.7 million. That's what I'm talking about, guys. This is the pre-pumping volume. So I shared this trade in the private list on DAPPRADAR right here, March 8th, before the pump. Take a look at this price. We bought this coin for 0.009 and you put a sell order up here, 0.018, 90% profit. Like I mentioned before, today I made $75,000, 750%. My soft is tracking 3,000 coins. I share my trades in the private list. Also, we trade for people and provide you 25% per week. My name is Daniel, I live in South Beach, Miami. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. Okay, our last call was to buy Bitcoin right here around $27,000 because we track them. We track the main cryptos 24/7. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Takes your time. Have a beautiful day.